Hey, greetings viewers. Thanks for joining me out in the garage today. Just a quick minute to tell you I'm not doing a video for you this week. I'm sorry to disappoint, but no Thursday video this week other than me saying I had to roof my house this week. I didn't get a chance to get a video ready for you. I'm an old man. I was down in the back for a couple days. But I sure appreciate you guys so much. I'm on my way to 2,700 subscribers now, which is huge for me, and my show just keeps growing. Please go back, watch some old episodes this week if you want to see a show, see some reruns maybe of your favorite one. Fear not, though, here at Funjunkie Garage there is tons still happening. And just take a minute and go over what's going on. I'm doing the engine swap in Liam's third gen. Liam's got mine right now, so Project Rasty will be back and there'll be a lot more to come on it. I want to tear down that old motor that had all the additives in it too and see what that looks like. You know, there's a ton to come on the mini truck. Bed's full of parts. I got lots of ideas for it as well, plus just getting it running, moving, and going down the road like it should be. You saw the bed bob on the T100, plenty to come on it as well. The Tundra, the 4.7 timing belt, that's coming right up. I'm within just a few hundred miles now of hitting my 90,000 mark. I've got gears coming for the Tundra. Better Toyota factory gears I'm going to upgrade that are better than the 390s. I'm going to put a rear locker in the Tundra. So great things coming for the Tundra. Oswald is so excited. He can hardly stand it. The mini truck has lots to do. The white 4runner, the T100. There's always something going on around here. So don't fret. Watch an old episode. Watch a rerun. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, those free, easy, painless things. I'm sorry I can't send you out a great video this week, but there's plenty of other videos on my show that you can watch. So I appreciate everything everybody does for my show. I appreciate your support. If you do like and subscribe and comment and things like that, I love it. If you don't, I still love it. More people, the majority of the people who watch don't subscribe, but you can subscribe real quick. It's easy. Anyway, enough about that. I do appreciate y'all. I'm on my way to 3,000 subscribers now, and that's super great for me. I'm very happy. Most of all, though, I appreciate all of you guys. Thanks for joining me for just a second out here today. I appreciate your understanding. We'll see you next week. Have a super great day.